Hi, I am Krishna Raju, working as a open source developer for past 4 months in 10th Line Technologies organized by Chikids. Today my topic is examples using item editors in datagrid in Adobe Flex. Examples using item editors in datagrid. Already I have explained item editors examples in datagrid. Now I am explaining using item editors in datagrid with an ActionScript file. In this example application, we have two columns, for one for the name and one for to define if they are gapo. The second column has been defined as editable, so if you click on it you will see the combo box show up and you will be able to change the value to yes or no. After editing has finished, the data provided on the data grid will be updated with the new value. So now I have created an example with an item editor examples. Now I have created a example using item editors with the data grid in a data grid file. See, now I have created a data grid data provider as a items editable as a true property with under height I created, and creating a two columns as a name and another one as a gapo. In this name field I am editable as a false property, and another as a data grid column as a edited text is gapo, data field is gapo, editor item editor is an s1. I am created another s1.mxml file, and another as a editor data field equal to new value. It is a new value is a boolean value with equal to 125. Now I am calling this as an initdg as an array collections of items as a new array collections. This items dot add item equal to new simple item class. These simple item classes are mainly referred as a ActionScript class, so I return a ActionScript class in this. See, now in this ActionScript class ActionScript file I actually explained in a packageable bindable format. Public class simple item class, I'm making a variable name as a string and gapo as a boolean variable. Now function I am calling a function as a simple item class. In that I am declaring name as a string, gapo as a boolean. This dot name equal to name, this dot gapo equal to gapo. When I am coming to this main file, I already explained that in second column I am calling an item editor as a s1, editor data field as a new value. So I am going to now second mxml file application file. In that I have written as a in a canvas file. So I am overriding the public function of set data as a value is to object void. I am creating a super dot data equal to value, new value equal to value dot gapo, boolean id equal to new value. I have also created a combo box id as a dd, selected index as a data dot cubo as a sum of collections of selected index, change equal to new value equal to data dd dot selected index equal to 0. If a string is a yes and a string is a no, the value will be true or false will be changeable. Now I am going to main program. You can already see in a simple item classes as I have created in an ActionScript file. Now I am declaring an array collections of various names and gapo. Charlie, Brandon, Kevin, Mickey and Joker as a I have created as a true. In this field only I have created a editable item editable property, whether true or false is mainly by s1. So now I am running this application. See, now data grid is appeared. In that name and is gapo is appeared. I have already in first column I already told that I have editable as a false property, so you cannot change any of these name and text files and all. Charlie, Brandon, Kevin, Mikey, Joker. So now I am is gapo. I am checking is as an ActionScript file as a selected index and also as a s1.mxml in a various of mxml file. Now I clicking here, an ActionScript will be appeared and second file of s1 will be appear in it. Whether I clicking yes or no, the property will be changed here. So now given a no, it will be changed as a false. Likewise we can change any of these properties, like all other is gapo is no, false. I am giving is a false. See, I have selected all indexes as a false. Now I am giving as a yes as a true. I have selected all is gave us a true property, mainly by importing three files in this file. One is an action script file, selected index.as, and another one is a s1.mxml file calling an item editor in examples, and another one is a main program file application. I am calling various of files in this examples in a data grid by making an examples using an item editor with a data grid. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity to explaining an examples using item editors with a data grid by importing three files. One is an application, one is a main program file, and another one is a component files, and another one is an action script. This is a major program in explaining a data grid with an example using item editor with a data grid in an action script file. Thank you.